Morning, this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. It's October the 12th, about 12:30, and this is hive number 521, single nuke, and we're going to go ahead and see what they're doing. Oh, and y'all can be giving me a thumbs up while we're waiting and looking at this. Okay, this has a white queen, eggs, brood, stored, need a honey super. Most of their pollen is young too. I failed in all the seeds. Okay, they're building on that frame. It has a little nectar in it, both sides. This one they're building on. There's the white queen. Like I tell people, you got 15 seconds to see the queen. That one has eggs, brood, larvae, the queen, nectar, bottom's clean. Put the queen back where she belongs. Couple of beetles in there, not many, but they're all dead. I don't think they need a super. What do you think? This one they're building. This is a new group. Okay, this one they're building out. It's kind of like the last one. They have capped brood in here. This is honey. They have some eggs and some larvae in there. You dead beetles. I guess the little traps are working. Not the same. They're not building up here probably because that's where the entrance is. Now I can turn them around and then start building in there. They know better than I do. Okay, this is some honey and some nectar, stores. We have pollen and nectar and honey on both sides there. So they're not very big, but they're growing. They'll be ready for winter. And I might put them a super on there just because. We put that back down there. Take their other beetle thing here. They need but one. I'm gonna fill them up, There we go. Back straw back in there. Put the top back on. Put the brick over here showing we got a queen. And that's it. But this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up anyway. Comment, subscribe, and share. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.